Hello children, welcome back to your EVS class. Children, now we are going to start our book 2 and in our book 2 I am going to take EVS subject. Now look at the content of the EVS subject first. Home, family, safety at home, safety on road and practice. Previously in book 1 we have covered so many interesting topics. Now in this book also we will cover some new topics. So let's start from the first topic, home. Come to page number 58. So look at here, page number 58. The topic is home. Okay, tell me children, what is the meaning of home? Can anyone tell me? Okay, I'll tell you. That's a picture of a home, you can see. So home, it is a place where we live, where you all people live. And you can see in your home there are so many rooms. Okay, let's think about it. Everyone think, how many rooms you are having at your home? 1, 2, 3. Some of you may be having 1, some of you may having 2, and some of you may having 3, and many more. Alright, so we are going to learn about the different rooms in a house. The different rooms in a house. Alright, so let us start from the first one. See here. This is the picture of a bedroom. Bedroom, it is a room where you kept your bed, where you go to sleep. This is a picture of a bathroom. Read it aloud with me. Bathroom. Okay? And this is a picture of a living room where you keep your sofa set or you watch your television. Alright? This is the main door of your house. And here the fourth one is the kitchen where your mama cooks food. So how many rooms you find? Bedroom, bathroom, living room and kitchen. How many rooms? 4 rooms. Bedroom, bathroom, living room, kitchen. I think these 4 rooms you all must be having at your home. Okay, so now today we will learn about living room on page number 59. Come here. Now let's see living room. Read here, living room. So now let's see what are the pictures you can find here. What is the meaning of living room? You can see here the picture of sofa, table, cabinet, television, clock, lamp, carpet and many more things, books, toys. So this is the picture of a living room. So basically the meaning of living room is where you can do many tasks, like you can watch television, you can sit and you can do your homework, you can keep your books there. Alright, so you can do such things in your living room. So things in a living room. Let us read the things which we find in our living room. Okay, now everyone will read aloud with me. Sofa, sofa, carpet, cushion, table lamp, table, clock, telephone, book, cabinet, books, curtain. Where is the picture of curtain? Here. Television. Here it is, television. So the words which you have read here, you find it here in this picture, yes or no? Yes, absolutely we have find it. Picture of sofa, the picture of carpet, the picture of cushion, the picture of table lamp, table, clock, telephone, book cabinet, books, curtain, and television. So all these pictures where you find in your living room. Alright, so you can read here, you can watch television here, you can sit idle here. Alright, so there are so many tasks which you can do in your living room. Now come to page number 6. Now what you have to do here, practice. Tick the 6 differences. So you can see here the one picture of living room is here and the second picture of living room is here. So there are few differences between these two pictures. What you have to do, you have to find it out that what things are missing here, okay, and what things are missing here. So we have to find how many? 6. So let's start. Now see, this is the picture of lamp, but here it is, but here it is not. So this is the first difference. You will circle it and you will put 1. Here the picture of clock is here, but here it is no clock. So this is the second difference. Oh sorry, you have to put a tick. You will put a tick like this. Number 1. Here number 2. So now see, here the picture of a toy is here, but here in this picture it is not there. So this is the third difference. Alright, so now check again. What else you can see? Here the picture of book is here, but here it is not. So mark it as fourth difference. Okay, here the picture of ball is here, but here it is not. So mark it as fifth difference. And what else you can find? Yes, the flower pot. Here the picture of flower pot is there, but here it is not. So this is the sixth difference. So we have find it out how many differences? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. So in this way you will find it out and you will tick out the differences. Alright children. So this is all about the differences. Now let's again speak about the things or objects. This is table lamp, television, clock, book cabinet, books, telephone, table, sofa, cushion, curtain, flower pot, carpet, book. So these are the things which we find in our which room? In our living room. Okay. So this is all about the explanation of living room. Hope it is clear to you. Okay. So that's all. Thank you children.